In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize charts on TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable chart that matches your style and helps you analyze faster and with more confidence. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart you'd like to work with. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, anything you follow. Once the chart loads, look to the top right corner and click the Chart Settings icon, the small gear. This is your control center for how everything looks and behaves. Begin in the Symbol tab. Here, customize your price scale so the movement of the chart makes sense to you. If you prefer to see percentage changes rather than absolute price moves, choose the option that suits your workflow. You can also pick the time zone that matches where you are, or the market you're tracking. Aligning the time zone helps candles and session times display correctly, which is important if you follow opening and closing hours or compare multiple markets. Next, switch to the Appearance, sometimes called Canvas tab. This is where the chart's look really comes together. Choose a background color, solid or gradient, to create a comfortable contrast. If your eyes prefer a dark theme, go darker. If you print screenshots or share charts, a lighter tone might work best. Turn grid lines on or off depending on how clean you want the chart to feel. If you keep them on, consider subtle colors so they guide your eye without distracting you. Adjust the crosshair style to something easy to track without overpowering your candles. Then refine watermark, text, and line settings. A faint watermark can help you remember the symbol at a glance. Tweak text size and color for legibility, and pick line styles that are visible but not too bold, especially if you draw a lot of levels or trend lines. Move to the Trading tab if you place orders from the chart or track paper trades. Here you can show or hide the buy and sell buttons. Keep them visible if you like quick execution. Hide them if you're strictly analyzing. You can also choose whether to display positions on the chart. Seeing entries, stops, and targets directly on the chart can make risk and reward clearer and keep you organized. When everything looks the way you want, click OK to save your changes. You can always come back and fine-tune as your preferences evolve. Small tweaks often make a big difference in clarity and speed. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.